Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Gerber Armbar Cork. And this, as near as I can figure, is Gerber taking a shot at Swiss Army knives. And I'm really interested to take a look at this. And so let's see. 8 tools, frame lock. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of frame locks. Textured grip, bottle opener. Okay. Normally, I would complain a lot about a bottle opener. And depending upon how they implement this bottle opener, I may still complain about it. But, since it's kind of supposed to be a Swiss Army knife replacement, it might be one of those things like, I forgive Swiss Army knives for having a bottle opener because they are the tool that you're supposed to have in your pocket to have a bottle opener. Everything else doesn't need a bottle opener. But, let's see. Handle, anodized aluminum, tools, stainless steel. If the day asks more of your everyday carry than a blade alone, carry a Swiss Army knife. It's not exactly what it says, but there's sort of an implication there. So let's see. Pry bar, bottle opener, and a hammer. Okay, so I do almost certainly hate this bottle opener. I dislike bottle openers. They're added to the outside of things just to have like a notch that you open a bottle with. So let's see, you got a corkscrew, you got a foil cutter lever arm. Is this one of those things where my not knowing much about wine is gonna hurt me? Alright, so if I make any glaring errors in the wine related stuff, let me know, because, you know. Alright, so made in China, which was a little disappointing, but alright. Let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Maybe it's better on the inside. Although, man, the bottle opener is not starting out strong. I'm just not able to work this thing. Alright. Maybe I'm not. Maybe this is childproof. That's what my problem is. Alright, so that's the Gerber thing. Okay. What? Ha! Alright. I might take a little bit of nasty stuff I said about the bottle opener back. That's kind of cool. Okay, so this is the quote hammer. Right? Yeah, hammer, pry bar. So this folds down, and this gives you your pry bar bottle opener. Okay. I don't hate that so much. I actually think that's kind of cool. It at least shows a little bit of thought, and it's not like some cut out part of the handle. Alright, so this folds out. Foil cutter lever arm. So that right there, that part right there looks like it's sharp. So it's to cut foil on a wine bottle, I guess. So this folds out, and then we got the corkscrew, and this folds in, I guess. So like that. Man, having never actually opened a wine bottle, you probably can tell I don't drink, well, really any. But So, I don't know. Maybe y'all can help me with this. Alright, so there's wine stuff going on right here. We'll fold that back because we don't really understand. So, okay. So I think it's kind of cool. The knife is relatively easy access. Huh. Alright. Just a minute ago, I talked trash about frame locks, but I actually kind of like this frame lock. That's not bad at all. And although it's not super easy, it's relatively easy to open one-handed. Okay. So we got scissors and we got scissors and I know how to solve this problem. We got scissors. We got scissors and a can opener. So let's see. Scissors first. Am I somehow not understanding how scissors work? Hold on. That can't be how it goes. Can it? I guess it is. Okay. That's kind of a weird choice. Okay, look at this. So, this is the closed state, right? And in order to switch to scissors mode, you basically push on this, push this little nub here down, like so. But I feel like I don't like the whole aspect of pushing down because, like, maybe you can see it from this angle. If you push down, you're going to make contact with the scissors blade. And I'm not super crazy about that. It's not unreasonable, but it's one of those things, it's like, I don't know. It's better to have something where you don't have to consciously think about not doing a thing, if that makes sense. Because, like, even doing it here, it's easy to brush this. I mean, it's not a super sharp edge, but there's a point there. There's a little bit of a point there. Alright, I don't like that. That's not well designed scissors wise. Let's check the can opener. So the can opener, yeah, the can opener looks okay. It kind of looks reminiscent of the Winger can openers a little bit. It's not totally like alien or anything. It's okay. I don't know. I feel like this thing has a couple of parts of it that I like. Like I thought this thing was pretty cool. This is a nice solution to the much hated nub on the outside to open bottles with. And I like the blade. I mean, like the blade, and I mean, like I generally dislike frame locks, but this is not a bad frame lock. I mean, like I tend to opt not a frame lock if I can help it. And I mean, like it's not a bad blade, easy to access. The corkscrew wine thing, I guess is fine. I mean, like I just don't know. I mean, like it seems like it is a corkscrew, and it is another thing that's related to wine. So, you know, win-win, I guess. But the scissors thing, I'm unhappy with. I don't like that at all. And I feel like that's kind of, I don't know. I feel like that might be a deal breaker. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you think it's... I feel like this tool has... It's like... Because it's a relatively new tool, I feel like there's pieces that are good. And like maybe 4 or 5 more iterations, you might have something pretty good. But I don't know. There's parts of this that just are not... that I just don't like. Like, I don't like the scissors at all. The scissors being as weird as they are would make me probably not carry this at all, just regardless. Because I don't want something where, like, I don't like this aspect of it, where you basically have to sort of deploy the scissors like this. I mean, there are plenty of things that have scissors that don't go through that stage of stuff. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. I'll include links for this in the description if you're interested. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.